What's going on, guys? Healthy Wallet back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online just by watching videos. I'll also be showing you the 5 best methods to do just that. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'll show you a bonus method that can make you even more money online. So if you're ready to get started, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Again, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to watch videos and make money while doing so. Now, these are 5 legitimate platforms that actually pay you for watching videos. And here's how to start for free. No skills, no money, and no experience. I'll show you the best platforms to use. Finally, I'll show you how to cash out on PayPal. So first, we'll look at Earnably.com here. You sign up for free following instructions. You'll be taken to a offers walls page with multiple offers. And you can skip this page by selecting Earn on the drop-down menu up to. Now choose the third video option, labeled Videos, and make sure to verify your email address and check your spam folder. I already watched 4 videos and earned 6.6 points. You may want to use Chrome as a browser to prevent the video page section from being blank. And of course, if you run into any issues, Earnably.com has a help page. Another site is SuperPayMe.com. Now click on Offer Walls, Engage Videos, and you're able to choose which video you'd like to watch by choosing a topic category. And make sure you watch each video completely in order to receive your points. To pay out, go to PayPal. Click on Rewards and withdraw cash. So third, another site one can make money watching videos is InboxDollars.com. Now, they've been around for a while. To cash out $5, you need to bring your account to $10. Now, since we're focusing on watching videos, earning money, you can choose Watching TV category. Unlike other platforms where you earn points, InboxDollars.com allows you to earn money. Now, scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you'll get an instant $5 sign-up bonus today by clicking Sign Up. So, number 4, another site we'll be looking at is Swagbucks.com. In the Earn Points section, you can choose online, watch entertaining videos, which is what we're going to focus on. Now, you can redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. And finally, the final site we'll look at is making money online by watching videos is PicoWarriors.com. So, available jobs are listed out where you can click and earn money. You can click on small jobs or ongoing jobs. An affiliate program for PicoWorkers.com is also available. I've seen the latest requested withdrawals starting from $5.79 up to $24.71. And there are other job descriptions you can do if you're unable to find a watch videos online job offer. And that ends our video covering 5 possible ways to earn money online watching videos. But now, if you're not really a fan of any of these methods and want to check out my number 1 recommendation to making money online, you can click the first link in the description and get started today.